Alright, so in this video, I'll be going over my project, which is Project Zero Search of CS50 Java. We'll go over the specifications side by side with my HTML website. Alright, this is my homepage, Google's homepage. The first specification mentions that there must be at least 3 pages: Google search, image search, and advanced search, and there should be links in the upper right hand corner to access each of these. So this is the home page, and from the home page I can access image search using this button here that I've made. I can go back to Google homepage again, that's index.html. Go to advanced search from here, that takes me to advanced search.html, and I can also go back to homepage from here. Right. Next, it mentions that I should be able to type in a query, click Google search, and be taken to the Google search results for that page. And the search bar should be centered with round corners, and the search button should also be centered and should lie beneath the search bar. There you have it. So suppose my query is hi, and if I click Google search, I'll be redirected to the search results for Google search. And okay, let's go back. Right. Next up is the Google's image search, which is query images. The user should be able to type in a query, click on a search button, and be taken to the Google image search results for that particular page. So let me go to image search and type in, yeah, that's like gate. And this should show me pictures of a gate. Yes, it has directly taken me to the images of this search result. This is because there is one tiny difference between a normal search and an image search. On index.html, I've given my input type text, and it's passed on to a variable q using the get method in my search. Whereas in image search, apart from this, I also have another input type which is hidden because obviously I'm not typing anything else other than something whose pictures I want. Its input type is hidden, its variable name is tpm, and it's assigned a value isch, which I presume has something to do with taking us directly to the image search for that particular query. Right. Next up, let's go back. Oh, we could just open one. Right. Query advanced. The user should be able to provide input for these 4 fields, and its appearance should be same or similar to Google's advanced search page. The 4 options should be stacked vertically, and all of the text fields should be left aligned. Okay, to compare, let's just go ahead and open up Google's advanced search, which is their own. All of them, this is, yeah, this is my advanced search. All of them are stacked vertically, and the parameters are left aligned, similar to Google search. Its aesthetics, fonts, and colors are similar to Google search. And the button here, advanced search, is again familiar with a blue background and white text overlay. Let's type in something. Let's say I find pages with CS50. This exact word or phrase, let's say Howard, and any of these words. Let's go ahead with this, and none of these words. So this gives me the search results for my query is similar to Google Advances. Right, let's go back. And lucky, this is a button that's added to Google's search page. And it should be consistent to Google's own behavior. And clicking this should directly take us to the first Google search result, bypassing the normal search results you get. Sorry, let's type in gate. This gives me a redirect notice saying that if by error I've not decided to visit this page, I can go back or I can just go straight ahead. The first search result that I would get for my query, which I've typed in gate. So this is the first search result. I can go back and type in CS50 again, and this again redirects me to the first search result that I'd get for typing in CS50. Alright, so that's it. Oh, one more thing. Uh, I've added a fab icon. I'll just go over some bits and pieces of my code. I've added a fab icon here, which is because of this statement, this line here, right? And these are the specifications of the links. As mentioned, the buttons here turn pink as soon as I approach them, and this is because of CS50 styling. The search bar, the location of the search bar, and why the border becomes blue when I type in something, and when I hover over it, it becomes a slight darker shade of gray. It's all because of these styles, CSS styles that I've added. Right. And index search is similar to image search as I mentioned before. These statements are the links that we get to see that takes us to another web page from the home page. Image search takes in 4 different variables that are assigned for each of these parameters and uses that to produce the advanced search that we see. That's about it. Thank you.